Okay, so today I will be demonstrating how to create a paper template for a cup that you've drawn in your sketchbook. And in this case, I'll be using this I Heart Ceramics mug. And you can tell it's a mug because it has a handle. Otherwise, it would be just a cup. And first we need to figure out the circumference of this circle, which creates the cylinder. Because that's going to be how long of a slab of clay or rectangle of paper we'll need to form that cylinder. And you'll note this drawing is not to scale. The measurements are just for this particular math problem. So we'll take pi and multiply that by the diameter, which will give us roughly 10 inches with a height remaining unchanged of 4 inches. And so on your worksheet, that is this solid line. So go ahead and cut that out. Okay, so now we have a rectangle of paper, and using double-sided tape, or you can use a loop of tape. But when we wrap this and fold it onto itself, that creates our cylinder for our cup shape. And that's perfect size, fits in the hand nicely. And as it shrinks down after the clay gets fired, that'd be perfect for juice or milk or any other kind of nice breakfast beverage. So next step is to create the foot of your cup. And we'll do that on some scrap paper. I'll real roughly trace out a circle here. And so then that would form the foot of our cup. And I'll go ahead and put some tape on there. So there is our cup shape. And next, we will add a handle to make it a mug. And the handle length takes a little bit of guesswork. But you can usually get it pretty close. Then give yourself some room to adjust it. So that's a pretty nice little handle on our cup. So there you go. So now you can either begin working at home if you have some clay, or wait till we come back to class. However, these components you then just cut out of clay and assemble them to make your very own slab-built cup. And there we go. So some of you have asked in the past about the cups and things in our kitchen. And this is a brief tour of one of the shelves in our kitchen. It's got lots of cups and things made by different friends of ours. Most of them are actually not mine, but made by friends and people we've met along the way. And there's mugs and tumblers and I don't know, I'd call that one a bowl, maybe more than a cup, but a lot of different sort of memories wrapped up in all those relationships from all those friends of ours, and some dinner plates and salad plates and heirloom glassware from our grandparents and all kinds of things. And my lunchbox. So, just a short tour of part of our kitchen.